Hi guys! For today's vlog guys, try ko tong nabili ko sa H-Mart H-Mart guys today. So guys, ang ganda niya tingnan. Talagang na-wonder lang ako guys, ano kay lasa nito? Kaya naisipan kong bumili kahit isa man lang. Ayun na guys, ito tinikman ko na nga, ang sarap niya guys. Charap-charap talaga niya guys. Hindi siya gaanong maalat at saka hindi siya maamoy guys. Pero when you taste it guys, tikman mo yung fishy guys. So let me try my husband. Try this.
Is it squid?
This is squid.
Why you like squid?
Chewy. But salty and
Salty and fishy tasting.
fishy. Ayun na nga guys, nag-enjoy talaga ako sa kakain habang nanood ng TV with my hubby guys. And that's it. Bye-bye!